Well, that's a fantastic finish from a very confident young player. So 6 game balls for Marvellous Marvin.
(11-4).
So
game to Elshorbagy.
Not featuring in this first game.
1 game to love.
He's got to be careful here, Ferris Dessouki. That's better. That was a poor whip. So the 21-year-old from Alexandria.
Hand out.
Well, he's done by the Dessouki 1-2 there.
That's what he's so good at. It's the simplicity of his game that was so effective, and he's starting to find it slightly now in this first round. 5 game balls, another unforced error for
11-5.
Elshorbagy.
Game to Dessouki. 1 game all.
Well, it's game on between these 2 Egyptians. So 3 game balls for Dessouki to go 2-1 up.
Well, someone's fired up, isn't he? Well, he's only repeated it, Joey.
11-7.
Well, that's
game to
unbelievable.
Dessouki.
So the crowd
Dessouki leads
certainly
2 games to 1.
To Ferris Dessouki with that explosive finale.
Video decision, Elshorbagy.
Well, here we go. This is our first video decision. Referee not sure about the call on the court, so he wants to give it to the video referee to have a look.
For the video decision.
Well, here we go. This is our first example of it, Joey. So we're going to get a few views of this. It is a difficult decision.
Well, what do you think here, Drew boy?
You just given me a hospital pass, have you?
No. Well, it's worth just taking plenty of time. Oh, I mean,
that's the best angle for me. The last one that we saw is the best angle of this.
I know, but you've got to say what you think.
Well, let me see it again. You're just saying about taking some time, Joey. I'm just going to go for a let ball.
Yes, let.
It's wonderful to have
6,
this.
7.
It just does give an unbelievable amount of drama, and like I said,
it certainly does.
It does. It's brilliant.
What's wrong? What?
I thought the ball was okay.
I thought the ball was good as well.
I saw it good.
Well, I don't think Marwin did.
Hand out.
Really, don't you?
9-0.
People are laughing, man.
I saw it good.
You can't ask for anything. Ask for a beat, anything.
I mean, he's absolutely.
It's there, man. Come on.
I thought it was good.
Play on, Mr. Elshorbagy, please.
Yeah,
9-0.
he walloped it. He's done it. He's done it. So
11-9. Game to
2
Elshorbagy.
youngsters from
2 games all.
Alexandria, one based in Bristol, battling it out.
Guys, what's going on? He's not even trying.
Decision Dessouki. Stroke to Dessouki.
Review!
Well, we're going to get a review from a very animated Elshorbagy.
On the stroke decision.
Elshorbagy feels that Dessouki's just grabbing him.
Please no comment during the review.
What's your call here, Joey?
What happened to you? You're so much better than this.
Well, let's have a look at this one here. Well, he's not letting him through, is he? He's not letting him through, so if he wants to volley it, I don't understand. You've got a situation here where he's played the ball, but he's not really letting his opponent through, and it's a dangerous game. It's a very because he's not letting him through there. You can see that. So.
Well, there's a quick decision coming back from the video referee.
Decision upheld. Elshorbagy
I mean, would you
no reviews remaining.
Looking at that yourself there,
7-0.
What do you think?
Well, you got to look to clear, haven't you?
Mr. Elshorbagy, I need you to clear the shot.
Well, that's what the referee is saying. So locked in at 2-all and 7-all.
Well, that's the way to respond, isn't it?
Well, that's a very good
8,
example
7.
of the tactical abilities of Marwan Elshorbagy, the quick attack.
Well, it's a desperate ask from Dessouki.
Stroke to Dessouki.
Wow. Well, he's thought that Elshorbagy's moved
11-8.
into him. Is Elshorbagy going to go for the handshake here?
Match to Dessouki. 3 games to 2. 4-11, 11-5, 11-7, 9-11, 11-8.
Crowd not enjoying that reaction there. Ferris Dessouki, it's like he's won the tournament here. What I do feel that was a bit harsh there, that last finale. Possible no-let being turned into a stroke, but that's just my opinion. 82 minutes, and it's Ferris Dessouki that upsets the seedings here tonight, taking down Marwan Elshorbagy 4-11, 11-5, 11-7, 9-11, 11-8, 3 games to 2.